Well, welcome to week one. This is the start of your exciting journey. It's 12 weeks. By the end of the 12 weeks, you are going to be able to run 5 kilometers or 3 miles. So, the first part is all about walking. Now remember, it's about power walking. It's about walking with purpose. It's about putting your energy into that walking. So, what are we going to be doing in week one? Well, very simple. Every week, there are only 3 sessions. So make sure you've allocated your time for your 3 sessions. We've talked about this, but it is important. Try and find regular days. If you want to do more than 3 sessions, that's fine, but it isn't necessary. Remember, key to getting fit is also the rest between. But choose at least 3 days that you can commit to and make sure there's a gap between those days. So, day 1, you're going to go out for a 10-minute walk. There's nothing to it. It might be your first walk and maybe you haven't walked for a while. Just take it easy. Get into it. If you can find a nice spot to do it, it doesn't have to be hilly. Do your first day 1 is a 10-minute walk. Session number 2, we move it up a little bit. You're going to do a 15-minute walk. And then finally, for session number 3, a 20-minute walk. Now, none of this should be hopefully too trying. Obviously, it depends on your current level of fitness. But again, walk how you feel. Remember, you need to try and keep it quite swift. But again, walk how you feel. So, 3 walks for the week. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and 20 minutes. We look forward to hearing how your week goes. Week number 1.